调整角度时，先松开固定螺丝，再松开把手，才可调整角度。
Release the set screw and unclench the handle to adjust the angle.
调整夹钳，以工作物大小来调整，先往右旋转夹紧，之后再往左放松1/3圈即可。
Adjust the cram to suit the size of the workpiece. Operate the cram to the right and clamp the workpiece tightly. Then turn the cram to the left and unclench the workpiece by 1/3 round.
手动与自动开关。
Manual switch and automatic switch operation.
往左是手动夹紧，
Turn the switch to the right to manually clench the workpiece.
指中间为关掉电源，
And set the switch in the middle to turn off the power.
往右为自动。
Then turn the switch to the right to perform automatic operation.
手动切换转速，
Manually switch on the rotary speed.
往右为慢速，
Turn the switch to the right for slow operation.
往左为快速。
To the left for quick operation.
锯切工作物情况，
Workpiece cutting operation.